What's up guys, today I'm going to be teaching you guys about the Ukrainian adjectives. So an adjective is basically a word that describes a noun, and Ukrainian adjectives include bile, white, chone, black, chervone, red, hudube or blaketny, light blue. These two words can serve as light blue. Sene means dark blue, jofte yellow, zelene green, koreshnevi brown. So you can say jofte autobus, yellow bus, or you can say zelena knechka, green book. So guys, other examples include rojeve, pink, fioletowe, violet, sikave, interesting, nudne, boring, molode, young, stare, old, nove, new, dove, long, korotke, short, shiroke, wide, vuske, narrow, temne, dark, and sweetly, light. So you can say sikava knechka, interesting book, or sikave film, interesting film. Then so the adjectives or Ukrainian language can have three endings. The three endings differ depending on the ending of the noun, or depending on the gender of the noun. For example, for nouns with the masculine gender, the adjective that comes before it will have the ending a, while nouns with the feminine gender, such as nouns that ends with a, or nouns that end with ya, can end, or the adjective that comes before it will have the ending a. Then for neuter nouns, such as the noun petania. Petania is a neuter noun because of it contains three consonants at the ending of it. Or another example example of neuter noun. Let me see, maybe vikno. Yes, vikno, window. Example of neuter noun, nove vikno. So I think I might make a video about neuter nouns. Okay, so then these special endings are adjectives which have special endings, such as dark blue has special ending I, E, and ye. Light blue has special ending ya, and neutral has special ending ye. So any adjectives that have the masculine ending is like e will follow the same pattern of changing into ya and ye. Yes, some adjectives, other adjectives can have that kind of ending, but this kind of ending is rare, but it's just good to know it. So if you see it in future and someone tells you that senya is a feminine adjective, you won't be confused because of the presence of this ya at the ending, while senye is the neutral form of this dark blue senya. The adjectives answer to the question yake, which means which. For example, you know the adjective describe nouns. So if someone asks you to say, for example, which student, yake student, then you now use an adjective to describe which student you're talking about. For example, inozemne student. Like I gave examples here, yaki student, inozemne student. The foreign inozemne means foreign student. The adjectives answer to one question, which is which. So if someone asks which student, like I just said now, so this which can be in the masculine form which is the yake, the feminine form, which is yaka, neutral form, which is yake, and plural form, which is yaki. So the ending of this adjective of this question will change according to the number of the noun, whether the person is asking about, or the object is more than one, whether it is feminine, whether it is masculine, or whether it is neutral. That is how the ending of this question, yaki, is going to change. Examples include, for example, they'll say yaka studentska. Which female student? You say the foreign female student. Inozemna female student. Inozemna studentka. Then for the neutral gender, the example I gave here is misto, which means city. So someone asks you which city, yake misto. The reason why it's a is because of the ending. Misto is a neutral noun. So remember, adjectives can change gender, but nouns don't change gender. So if someone asks you yake misto, you say inozemne misto, the foreign city. Inozemne, because of the adjective changes according to the gender of the noun, which is city, misto. Then plural form, which students. This is the plural form of students. I might have another video teaching you about different plural forms of different nouns to show you and explain to you how the ending of nouns can change. So depending on the number of that noun you're talking about. If someone asks you which student, you say inozemni studente, the foreign students. So more examples, like the noun, the adjective in brackets is the adjective you're supposed to use for these examples. For example, yaka se knижка. You say this se velika knижка. This is a big book. Yaka is like, how is this book? This is a big book. Then yake is yake se vikno. You say se stare vikno. Yeah, so this place, you can ask yake, this word yake can actually serve as which or how, like just to it is like the question which helps to describe a noun. For example, when someone tells you yaka se knижка, someone is asking you how does this book look like, or how is the book, just like how. So that relative pronoun can also serve as like how, when someone is telling you to describe an object. I've said it like 1,000 times now. I just hope that you guys understand. Yes, so next question, yake se vikno. When someone asks you yake se vikno, they're trying to like tell you, they're asking you like, how is the window, how is the condition of this window. They're not, or do they ask, it can also be the person is asking you which window. You know, Ukrainian language is actually kind of complicated, but I don't want to discourage you. So it can, when someone is asking yake se vikno, the person is asking you which window, or how is the window, how does the window look like. You now tell the person se stare vikno, this is an old window. The next, yake se devchata, how is the little girl, or which little girl. You say se hana devchata, this is a beautiful little girl. Devchata means little girl, that's what I'm saying, little girl. When you say devchina, then you know that you're talking about a girl. Then yake se stadion, you said person se nove stadion, this is a new stadium. Then you say, then yaka se stava, says Se Sikava Vistava. This is an interesting performance. You see, this is an interesting performance. Says Sikava Vistava. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys so much. Thank you guys for all the support. I can't do it without you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one.